Good morning, children. Let's take English first. Okay, lesson 19, direct and indirect speech. Okay, we already know what is direct speech and what is indirect speech because we have learned in the previous year what is a direct speech and what is indirect speech. We have done many exercises. Okay, I think that most of you remember it. Still, I like to remind you. Okay, children, I have written some sentences here. Ram said to Rahim, I work at home today. Ram said to Rahim, I work at home today. Okay, and here I have written, Ram told Rahim that he worked at home that day. Okay, what is a direct speech and what is an indirect speech? Direct speech is the exact words which are told by the speaker. Okay, exact speech or exact words that are told by the speaker. What is indirect? When a third person reports to someone else that is told by the exact speaker, that is turned out to be the indirect speech. What is indirect speech? The indirect speech is the words that is reported by a third person of the exact speaker later. Okay, so let's analyze these two sentences. Okay, first one is Ram said to Rahim, I work at home today. Okay, so what are the things that you see? The Ram is there and said to Rahim. The second person is there. Here Ram said to Rahim. Okay, and what is the exact word of the speaker? I work at home today. Okay, Ram said to Rahim, I work at home today. Okay, so but here there is a separation from the reporting verb and the speech. Okay, so that is separated by putting a comma. Okay, you see the punctuation marks, very important in direct and indirect speech. That's why punctuation marks will be very clear. So here there is a comma. Again, I work at home today. Here there is a inverted comma. Okay, double inverted comma. That's the word of the speaker. I work at home today. Okay, so here double inverted commas. The speech starts with the double inverted commas, and here I is there because it is told by the speaker. That is the exact word of the speaker. That is why it starts with I. I work at home today. Today, and finally there is full stop, and also the sentence is closed with the inverted commas. Okay, children, and let's see the second sentence. Ram told Rahim that he worked at home that day. What is the change here? What is the change between the first sentence and the second sentence? Okay, here this is neither Ram nor Rahim is reporting. Or someone else who is reporting. That's a third person. This is neither Ram nor Rahim is reporting, but another person. There is a third person. This is the first person, this is the second person, but it is neither of them is reporting. Okay, it's reported by someone else. Maybe it is me. Okay, because I heard Ram telling to Rahim and I am reporting it to someone else. So this is the third person. So how will be the speech when it is reported to a third person? Ram said to will be changed to told. Only said to, if there is, it will be changed to told. If it is said, there is no change. But said to, if it is there, it will be changed to told. Ram told Rahim, and in order to connect both the reporting verb and the exact words of the speaker or the reported words of the speaker, we have to add a conjunction. What is that? That. This is for the assertive sentences or declarative sentences. Okay, So Ram told Rahim that. Then there is tense changes. We will see in detail the tense changes. Now for the sake of this sentence alone, we will see it. Okay, so next is what is the change? Here there is a change of pronoun. Okay, most often it will be changed to third persons. Okay, most of according to the context, it will be changed. The pronouns, it will be used pronouns because already Ram is there. Okay, Rahim is also there. That is why when the third person is reporting, there is no need of repetition. So we will use pronouns. That's use of pronouns. Do you remember? Pro means that is used instead of something. Okay, pro instead of noun. Pronoun instead of noun. So instead of Ram or Rahim, I can use pronoun. So the first person is changed to third person. See, I is changed to he. Ram told Rahim that he. Then what is the other change? Tense changes. Tense. Here it is simple present, and simple present is changed to simple past. Ram, he worked. Ram told Rahim that Ram, he worked at home. Today there are certain changes for the adverbs also. Okay, like today, yesterday, this, then some changes are now. All these will be changed to some other words that I will give you in detail. Okay, now you see here there is a change of today into that day. So, and which are the things that is not there in the reported speech? Reporting the exact speech, there is comma, inverted commas, full stop as punctuation marks. But here there is only full stop. Inverted commas or comma is not seen there. So when it is reported, the punctuation marks are changed. Another change is pronoun is changed. Another change is tense is changed. Okay, please remember these rules when you change direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, so let's take the second example. Mary said, I'm tired now. Mary said, I'm tired now. Okay, and here the reporting verb is in simple past. Here also it is in simple past. Mary said, I'm tired now. So you see, in the exact word of the speaker, there will be two tenses. There can be two tenses. Sometimes it may not be. That is why I say there can be two tenses. First one, in the first part there will be a tense, and in the report, the exact word of the speaker, there will be another tense. What's the tense here? It's a simple present, and this is simple past. But when it is changed into reported speech, both of it will have the same tense. That is simple present tense. That is simple present means according to the, simple past tense, according to the context. We'll see what is reporting verb, according to that it will be changed. And here Mary said, comma is there, inverted comma is there, and it is said by Mary herself. That is why I am tired now. Simple present, and full stop is there, and after that it is closed with double inverted commas. Okay, Mary said that, and that conjunction is added there. Okay, and she, because it is reported by a third person, maybe me or maybe someone else. So I will be using the pronoun she because I'm talking about Mary. That's why I will be using here she. She. Is changed into was. Was tired. Now is changed into then. There are adverb changes when the exact words are changed into indirect. There are changes in certain adverbs. Okay, children, did you understand that? Children, I told you that there will be tense changes in the indirect speech. When a direct speech is changed into indirect, there will be tense changes. Okay, this is a table which shows the tense changes. Please do it by heart. Okay, simple present tense will be changed into simple past. That means, for example, if it is works, it will be changed into worked. Okay, means V1 will be changed to V2. Also, if it is be forms are used, for example, she is a doctor, is will be changed to was, and are will be changed to were, will be changed to was. Okay, these changes will be taken place when direct speech is changed into indirect. Also, present continuous is changed to past continuous. For example, she is working will be changed to she was working. Present perfect to past perfect. So, she has worked will be changed to she had worked. Okay. Present perfect continuous will be changed to past perfect continuous. I think that you understood that all the present tenses will be changed to its corresponding past. Means simple present to simple past. Present continuous to past continuous. Present perfect to past perfect. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. In other words, is, are will be changed to was or were. Is working will be changed to was working. Are working will be changed to were working. Present perfect, that means has worked, will be changed into had worked. Have worked also will be changed to had worked. Present perfect continuous, has been working, will be changed to had been working. Okay, and past simple, simple past will be changed to past perfect. For example, she worked will be changed to she had worked. Okay, past continuous will be changed to past perfect continuous. For example, she was working will be changed to she had been working. And for the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense, there is no change of tenses. It will remain in the same tense. Future simple, for example, will be changed to would. Shall also will be changed to would only. Okay, will and shall will be changed to would. Future continuous will be changed to would be. Future perfect will be changed to would have. Future perfect continuous will be changed to would have been. So make it by heart, children. These tense changes. At least you remember the changes in the verbs. That will be easy for you to remember. Otherwise, sometimes you will be confused with the tenses. Even if you do not know tenses, by learning the tense changes in the verbs, you can do the exercise. For example, is, you have to change it into was. Are, you have to change it into were. Okay, so please remember these rules, make it by heart. These are B forms changes. Is will be changed to was, are, were. Have and has will be changed to had. Can and can't will be changed to could, couldn't. Will and won't will be changed to would, wouldn't, etc. Adverbial changes are given here in the table. Today will be changed to that day. Tomorrow will be changed to the next day or the following day. Yesterday will be changed to the day before or the previous day. Next week, whatever is next comes. The following week, the following month, the following year, etc. Last, if adjective last is used, the previous week, month, the previous month, previous year, etc. Now and just will be changed to then. Ago will be changed to before. Here will be changed to there. This will be changed to that. Okay, these are the other changes of adverbs when it is converted into indirect speech. When a speech is changed into indirect speech. Please remember these adverb changes also, then only you will be able to convert the direct speech correctly into indirect speech. I told you that when you change exact words of the speaker into indirect or reported, there are changes in the tenses, but there are exceptions. Okay, see this. See these two sentences. Ram says, "I write English." Okay, and the reporting verb, which is a reporting verb, this is a reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in simple present tense or any of the present tense or in the future tense, there will not be changes in the words of the speaker. Okay, why is it changing to past tense? Because if something is told in the past, it will be reported in the past only. But if it is said at present, it can be reported even at present. That's why there is no change in the tense. If the reporting verb is in simple present or any of the present tenses or the future tense, there will not be change of tenses here. So what will be there? Other changes will be there, like adding conjunction and also removing the punctuation marks. There are other changes, but tense changes will not be there. For example, Ram says, "I write English." Ram says, "I write English." Okay, so how can it be changed to indirect? Ram says that. Okay, that conjunction is added there. Then pronoun changes there. He writes, same tense. Since it is third person singular, we have added here writes English. So there is no other changes, but punctuation marks are changed, only full stop is remaining here. The other punctuations are changed. So if the reporting verb is in simple present or any of the present tenses or in the future tense, there will not be changes for the quotation or what is in the quotes. Okay, so the exact words of the speaker will not be changed, or the tenses will not be changed in the exact words of the speaker. Okay, say this sentence. The teacher said, 2 and 2 makes 4. Okay, how is it reported? You see, the teacher said that 2 and 2 makes 4. Here also there is no change for the tenses. What is the reason? Okay, the teacher said. This is past tense. Reporting verb is past tense. Teacher said. Then always the quoted words will be started with capital letter. So it is starting with 2 and 2 makes 4. She will be teaching. 2 and 2 makes 4. Okay. And here the teacher said that is added, conjunction is added. 2 and 2 makes 4. There is no changes in the tenses. What is the reason? Even if it is reported in the future or even if it is said in the past, there is no change for the mathematical calculations, isn't it? 2 and 2 makes 4. If it is told in the past or if it is told in the future, there is no change. This will remain exactly the same. So for the scientific truths and medical calculations and also mathematical calculations, there is no change of tenses in the speech of the speaker, exact speech of the speaker. There is no change in the tenses, but the pronoun changes will be there, and other changes also will be there, but only the tense will not be changed. Okay, you must remember this. Okay. Yes, students, we have learned the rules to convert direct into indirect speech. Let's do some exercise so that we'll be able to do it more correctly. Okay, children, some sentences are given here. He said, Rani is singing a nice song. Rani is singing a nice song. He said. Okay, let's convert into indirect speech. Okay, first he said. We will write it as it is. He said. Then what should be added in between the reporting verb and the exact words of the speaker when it is reported that. This is only for assertive sentences, children, or declarative sentences. This conjunction that is added. He said that. Then here we haven't told about Rani before. That is why we will use the same name here, Rani. Okay, and is will be changed to was, or since it is present continuous, it will be changed to past continuous tense. Rani was singing a nice song. And we have removed punctuation marks like comma and inverted commas. Okay. Next sentence. Ram said, I'm wrapping this gift for my mother. Ram said. And this is not he who is going to report, but a third person. Okay, who heard it? Maybe he must have heard it. Ram said that. Ram said that. Then, if I'm reporting, how I will say about Ram he. Ram said that he. Then arm wrapping, that is present continuous. Arm will be changed to was. Was wrapping. And this will be changed to that. Okay, that gift for my mother. This is told by Ram. So when I report, what should I say? His mother. His mother. Okay. There is one more sentence that we will convert now. She said, I passed the examination yesterday. Okay. It starts with she said. She said that. Then I am reporting it. A third person is reporting. So what should I use? She. Again she. What is the verb which tense form is used here? Simple past. Past V2 is used. So it will be changed to past perfect. So, had passed. She had passed the examination. Yesterday it will be changed to the previous day. The previous day. We can also use the day before. She said that she had passed the examination the previous day or the day before. Both are right. Okay, children, keeping in mind these rules and the exercise we have done. Okay, we'll do one more exercise that is in future. You haven't done anything that is in future. We will take one sentence in future. After that, I will ask you to do some exercise. See these sentences. He said, I will work properly. Let's change into indirect speech. He. Okay, reporting verb is in simple past, so we'll use said. Conjunction that. Okay, and since we are talking about he, we will use the pronoun he. But we'll change to would. Would work properly. He would work properly. It's easy to convert future because only you have to change the modal verbs into past, its corresponding past. For example, will be changed to would, shall also will be changed to would, can will be changed to could, may will be changed to might, must will remain in itself. Okay, these are the changes that take place with future tense. Okay, and she said to her brother, I can do this exercise. Okay, she said to will be changed to told. Then her brother that. She said to her brother that. Then she. She only know she. Can be changed to could. She could do. This will be changed to that. She could do that exercise. Okay. These are the changes that takes place with the tenses, and we have done some exercise based on if you are in the class we could have done many exercise, but since it is not possible, please try to do. I'll send you some exercise that you try to do by yourself so that you will be able to do it properly. Okay children, please don't do that exercise in the text because all the sentences are mixed in tense. For example, assertive, imperative and exclamatory, everything is mixed. So after taking the whole lesson, you can do the exercise in the text. But you can do what I sent today, that you try to do. Some exercise only, please try to do. You can do it in your notebook so that it will be easy for you. Okay, and if anyone has doubts, you can call me personally, I will help you. Okay.